In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dolby On recording app. What this app does is it removes the ambient noises or background noises from your sound recording. So you can record podcasts and songs, and it will remove the background and ambient noises for you. So let's try it out. This app is by Dolby Laboratories. You might see them on television equipment or maybe CDs or records or stuff. This app can record video and have the Dolby sound removing technology, or you can just record audio clips with the Dolby technology, and you can even do a live stream to Facebook and have incredible Dolby sound. Let's try recording a piece of audio and then comparing it to voice memos and another third-party app. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Okay, so it has to take a few seconds to monitor the background noises before you start talking, and it can then hopefully remove it from your audio. There's a button or indicator in the top left corner, and that shows what phone you have and where it's capturing sound from, and what mic. It also has indicators for when it's auto optimizing mic levels for best sound and when its mic is overloading. It also has a button for recording tips. So let's try recording in a couple third-party apps. We'll start with Just Press Record, an app that transcribes your audio recordings. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Okay, so now let's try voice memos, Apple's default or original recording app. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Now let's play them all back and see what they sound like, starting with voice memos. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Okay, now let's try Just Press Record. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Now Dolby On. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Now, the quality of the sound might vary, but you can hear what the difference is for all three and decide what you like best. And among noise reduction, the Dolby On app also has tools that you can use, trimming, changing the tone. It looks like you can change the amount of noise reduction. That's nice. You can also change the style, boost, and you can favorite this recording with the star button, and there's a share button. You can share it to Instagram and others. There's also 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner, and you can add artwork to your recording. You can rename it, you can delete it. And in the settings, you can watch the demo video, you can get recording tips, sign up for the emails, change settings, connect social accounts, and then there's help. And this In the bottom left hand corner there is music note, and what that is, it brings up all your tracks, videos, and favorites that you've recorded. And let's go back to the track we just recorded. You can also turn off Dolby and see what it sounds like then. So let's compare it that way. We're going to start with Dolby off, then we're going to go to Dolby on. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Now we're going to try with Dolby on. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Tech Particle. Wow, I think I can tell that it's louder with Dolby on. That's nice. Okay, so there you have it. That's the Dolby On recording app. You can record audio clips, you can record video, and you can record straight to Facebook Live. And this app is nice in the way that it has Dolby noise reduction, and depending on how well that works, you might want to use this app, or you may want to try a different app, or it may not just matter to you, but this is a good app. You should check it out. Like I said, check depending on how it sounds to you, pick which app you want to use, but this is a good app, and it's a fairly new one by Dolby Laboratories. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please comment and give me any suggestions you may have, and subscribe to my channel Tech Particle if you want to see more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.